Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Do you like hot wings? A lot of people like hot wings. Some people don't, but generally speaking, a lot of people like hot wings. And to be honest with you, they're not just a food item, they're more of a conversation piece. I mean, you haven't had hot wings unless you had hot wings from old Joe's Hot Wings back in the day. Remember that? Yep, they're a conversation starter. But you know what? Why do takeouts when you can make it at home just as simple? Just as good as a takeout. Hot wings, homemade, blue cheese. Come follow me along in this video. I'll show you how I did it. My God, what did you eat? Okay, hot wings are so simple, guys. Let's start with the wings. There's your cutting board. Cut off the tip. Cut the remaining part of the wing in half. And repeat. So simple. There's the wings. Now, let's rinse them off. Rinse them off in the water, put them back on the rack. And now we're going to salt both sides. Turn them upside down. Turn them right side back up again. Put them in the oven, 35 minutes, 400 degrees. While they're cooking, let's make the sauce. 4 tablespoons of butter, melted. 1/3 of a cup of hot sauce. I use Frank's hot sauce. Teaspoon of garlic powder. And mix it thoroughly, guys. You can use any hot sauce, by the way. I chose Frank's. Set that aside. There's your hot wings. Get set up. Get your hot sauce. Get your plate. Dip them in the hot sauce. 14 wings. You know what I'm thinking? Let's take the bigger ones and cook them for 5 more minutes after they've been coated. See how that works out. 5 more minutes. Alright, now let's recoat those. And you know what I'm thinking? Let's do the same thing for the rest of the hot wings. That worked out pretty good. Put them on a wire rack, into the oven, 5 more minutes. Let's get ready. Recoat them. There you go, guys. There's your hot wings. It's that simple. Time for the blue cheese. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Half a cup of sour cream. I use Frigo blue cheese crumbs. I put about half of that container in there. Tablespoon of parsley flakes. Mix that all together. And you're good to be, guys. There's your hot wings. What could be easier and better than that? Oh yeah. Perfect. Better than takeout. And you know why they're better than takeout? Because you can make them as hot as you want. You can make them as mild as you want. You can put as much blue cheese in your dressing as you want, and you can put less blue cheese in your dressing. You can make this exactly the way you want it. Better than takeout. Have a great week. Don't forget, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. And the best way to do that is to cook it yourself. And also, don't forget, go with Jesus this week. We'll see you next week. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.